Hey guys, today I will show you how to change language in Monster Hunter World. If you want to play the game in a different language, you can do this directly in the in-game settings without touching Steam or reinstalling anything. First, launch Monster Hunter World and wait until you reach the title screen or load into the game. From there, open the main menu and go to Options. Inside the Options menu, scroll until you find the language settings. Here, you will see separate options for text language and voice language. You can change the display language for menus, subtitles, and system text to your preferred language. After selecting your preferred settings, press back twice and exit the menu. Restart the game once to fully apply the changes. Quick tip: you can adjust the voice language separately from the text, which is useful if you want characters to speak in one language while keeping menus and subtitles in your native language. And that is how to change language in Monster Hunter World.